Happy New Year from our blustery Plymouth State campus. I'm excited to announce the start of a new series that we're calling A View from Rounds Tower. In this series, we'll take a nostalgic look at the places and talk with the people that make this campus so special. We'll also share you an insider's view of what's happening currently, from new academic programs to the creative and innovative work by our fantastic students, faculty, and staff. We'll also highlight the impact that our alumni and friends make, like the 150th anniversary brick walkway here in front of Rounds Hall. We invite you to share with us your stories and let us know what you think about this series. Until next time, that's all for now, and we'll see you next time when we share another View from Rounds Tower.